Hey you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys are doing okay. It's me, Shay'auna Alexus, and I'm going to show you how I do a slick bun on my thick natural hair. So I start by doing my part on the side. You can do it on the side, in the middle, or if you don't want a part at all, this method works. You just want to go through and kind of section off your hair so that way you know where you want things to lay. And you can use any type of gel or any type of mousse. Right now, I'm not using Eco Style, I'm using a Cantu gel. If you have thick hair like I do, then this helps if you just did a wash and go, or if you just spray your hair with some water and then that way you wanted to lay it down with the gel. It does work better, but I didn't want to do that because it takes a long time for my hair to dry because it is so thick. So that's why I use the mousse and the gel instead. Alright, so we're halfway through the video, so if you're still rocking with me, go ahead and subscribe right now and then click the thumbs up button too and drop some comments below and tell me what you guys think. What else should I do to my hair? Look at my hair, y'all. Look at the waves. Look at that. It's around get seasick, okay? Look at that. Somebody get me. Alright, so we finally got all of my hair into this bun. What do you guys think? Did I do okay? I think I did okay. But I'll see you guys in my next video, and till then, bye.